In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Quest 3 to SteamVR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your MetaQuest 3 in conjunction with SteamVR to play any games that you have on your Steam library in virtual reality. So you will need to download two tools beforehand, so I recommend downloading these before you start. On Steam, go over to your library and find SteamVR. If you don't see it there, then just head over to the Steam store and you will be able to add it onto your library. Once you have SteamVR set up, downloaded, the next thing that you need is the MetaQuest Link application. This will give you access to plenty of tools that will help you set up your MetaQuest 3 headset onto your PC because you will need to connect them together. Make sure that your PC is capable of running VR games by using these tools, and once you have the MetaQuest Link app and SteamVR installed, all that you have to do is open the app and sign in using your credentials. So you will have to sign in onto the MetaQuest Link application, and once you are inside and properly signed in, go over to the Devices tab at the left. So choose Devices and then choose Add Headset. On the list, you should be able to see the Quest 3. Of course, if you have other headsets that you would like to connect, then follow these same instructions, but I'm going to be focusing on the Quest 3. So once you tap on this headset, you will be able to select Continue and choose the connection method. I would highly recommend using the link cable if you have access to it, so a high-quality USB-C cable. This will eliminate latency and will possibly give you the best results. However, AirLink can be convenient because it is wireless, but if your network speeds are not good, it can introduce latency, especially if you are far away from the main router. So just choose whichever one you prefer. It doesn't necessarily matter, each one will have pros and cons, so pick whatever is comfortable for you depending on what you have available. They will give you specific instructions on what to do, so in this example here with AirLink, they guide you through the whole process. For both of these methods, you will have to go into the system settings on the MetaQuest 3 headset, find the Quest Link category and make sure that it is enabled. With Quest Link enabled, you will be able to launch it from here. So choose the option to launch Quest Link, or you can go over to the quick settings and it is also going to appear here on this rectangle. So choose Quest Link under the available options. By selecting Quest Link, as long as you have it connected to your PC over the cable or over AirLink, you will find yourself at this virtual view or this desktop view. Just tap on the icon here at the bottom, so while you are wearing your headset, go over to desktop, and this will allow you to select your monitor. So choose the main monitor that you will be using on your PC, and then launch Steam on that monitor. Go to your Steam library, find SteamVR, and launch it from here. By launching SteamVR through the desktop view in the MetaQuest 3 headset, you will now be able to load into Steam. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Quest 3 to SteamVR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.